Hey, Doug here. Sorry for the delay in making this sound clip for you. Here's the 16-inch Water Buffalo frame drum. Do a closer look here. I trimmed this side of the hair down short for better sound quality. If you keep the hair long, it muffles the sound. And then along here, the hair's longer. And you have the 5-direction handle. Feels real good, real balanced in the hand. I'll be using the sound healing beater that comes with the drum, and please wear earbuds or headphones for better sound. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me get the ocean drum for you. Could be played like this too. Thank you. I hope this video was some help.